Hi friends. I do take long gaps these days ever since my sister expired. Um, I'm still to come to terms with the fact that she's no more. But I have found a way. Um, I did face a lot of depression and I keep having bouts of depression. And today I realize that probably it is the sense of guilt in me that I am the elder one, 5 years elder. She was the younger one and she expired. She did not see her children settling. Though my son is younger than her children, but that sense of guilt is there, which is stopping me from um, ex- accepting that my sister is gone. But I want to talk about something different today. The topic is that did you see God today? Now, the atheist, please, don't say that there is no God. I don't believe in God. I am talking of God in terms of the Almighty, a power in whatever way, whatever religion, whatever procedure, rituals you worship. Ultimately, there is one great power who created something as complex as humans, right? There are, I know it's where you can have discussions and I can have discussions. I'm not talking of idol worship. I'm not talking of satsang, puja part. I'm not able to concentrate on that. So even I don't do. But I try to find God in something or someone every day. I do worship, I do light a diya, but I cannot, means my concentration level doesn't allow me to stand there for even 5 minutes and do puja, but I know that I believe in God and God is there. Now, so I have started a new process every day at the end of the day. I try to realize, was I able to see God or feel God today? Now you will see, you will say, who can see God? You are not a Siddha Atma, the ultimate who will be able to see God. I mean some goodness which can belong to God. Or did God give you some indication for your life, the purpose and everything? Just few days back, I was very upset, and I could not see reason to live because I'm still coming to terms, as I said. But then I looked at my son, who is having moderate autism, and who is totally independent, and I have worked hard to bring him to present state. But I know it was God who gave me that power to work on him. I was just a medium to help him. So, my son, of course, when I'm very disturbed and I feel that life has no purpose, I just look at him. He's 15, and I find a purpose to live. I find a purpose to smile that you can see. Just the bare mention of Kabir makes me smile. And he's in class 10th. I need all the prayers and blessings for him. Now, today my medical report showed that I am having hyperglycemia, means excessive high blood sugar. Fine, I'm going to work on that. I have been slightly careless, so please don't be careless with yourself. Life doesn't always give you a chance. So don't live carelessly to regret it one day. So in my depression, I did my mistakes. I missed out on my medicines and it has increased, but I'm going to work it out. And I know I'm going to get results within a week. Now that's my target. 2 to 3 days back, I saw God in a young girl. A girl of almost 5 years of age. I won't take names. She has delayed developments, no other problem. And in her smile, I saw God. Yesterday, there were some flowers in my garden, and that gave me positivity. My garden gave me positivity, and I found God in that. The blooms, the flowers. My dogs, I have 10 of them. 5 puppies, and 4 senior, means around 4 years old. And I also give shelter to stray dogs from the streets. 3 of them are from streets only. So when I am able to help them, when I find love in their eyes, I see God. Now this is not blasphemy. मैं कोई अवज्ञा या धर्म का अपमान नहीं कर रही हूँ. Dogs are the best friends, and God created everyone. So if God is in me, if God is in you, is there in the nature, and He is there in animals also. When I hug my dogs, puppies, I get a heavenly and divine feeling. So my only question for today is, did you see God? Did you feel God? In every little joy, in even moments of sadness, try to reflect on the reason. When I met this young girl of 5 years, and because she is having delayed development, of course the parents were sad, they were upset, but I firmly believe that parents are next to God. If parents decide that they can do wonders, if they believe that they in their power, I believed in my power. I was able to bring Kabir to a much better state of autism. He is totally self-dependent and lot of developments. I took my son along with me to show that he has autism. And he is today so well developed, nazar na lage, touch wood. So having some delayed development shouldn't lead you to being upset, depression. I believe you should cry a lot, and trust me, when I'm upset, crying helps me. My students know that. So, but don't cry in front of your child. The child may not speak, may not tell, may not be able to wipe the tears, but the child will feel sad. So why to make sad? Please let them experience lot of happiness and teach them to cry. My son knows that if he is upset, he can cry. Only sensitive people can cry. It's not a sign of weakness. So another message, either pour down your feelings using pen or laptop, and otherwise cry, or find your way to vent out, to release your feelings. अपनी भावनाओं को निकालने का, अंदर के तूफ़ान को निकालने का किसी पर ना निकले, पर निकल जाए, हमारे अंदर से निकल जाए, क्योंकि वो तूफ़ान अंदर है कि सिर्फ डिस्टर्ब करने वाला है, कमज़ोर करने वाला है. जैसे मेरी शुगर हाई हो गई है, तो I have decided I have a purpose. My son is in 10th. He is my another purpose. My husband is working hard to create a good future for my son. Supporting him is my purpose. I'm going to find work for myself. That's my purpose. I am even trying to find a new avatar instead of teacher. Maybe I will be content writer. I am already a poet in English and Hindi. If need be, I'll change my profile, but I will find myself a future. Did you try that determination? My priority has always been my family, whether it was parents, whether it was siblings. Now it's Kabir and my husband, my dogs, my fur babies. I love them same way that I have for Kabir. I'm proud mother. I'm a fur mother. I'm so happy. You can see them. in the background. But I'm not talking to them, otherwise, they will be interacting more. Right now, they are resting, so I'm allowing them to rest so that I can talk to you all. So, did you find God today? Trust me, you can find Him. You can feel the touch. Uh, you need not worship an idol only, or you need not do a puja twice a day or once a day. I do that, but I have my own ways of communication with God. For me, God is my best friend. I speak to him, I fight with him, I get angry, then I apologize, and then sometimes I totally neglect him. Like when my sister died, I did not do puja for a week, I think. But then things are, death is an inevitable reality. So fine. But why my sister? That question keeps popping up. I'm waiting for the answers. Maybe her health was too bad and corona just triggered the end, and whatever. I pray for strength to her children and husband, my mom, myself. We all are grieving. We still have not found peace. But share a smile. Share a smile. Think of a good memory. I don't think of our fights. I try to, and I am collecting all her possible photographs. Happy one in which she is smiling and in which she is with me. So I'm collecting photographs. That gives me happiness. And purpose, I told you, I've found so many purposes. I have completed my teaching English as a foreign language course. So I'm waiting for my grade and results. But I have successfully completed with 80% and above score. So I'm waiting for the final score. So one purpose has been achieved. I'm doing a diploma in special needs teacher. So that's another purpose. Find a purpose in your life. It may be on daily basis. I don't think too far. Like my purpose, maybe like I want to be a special teacher. I love my teaching profession, and I want to do wonders with my son and supporting him. But my ultimate goal is to live happily. Fight my odds, fight my depression. Yes, I get depressed, and it's very human. Depression doesn't make me weak. I'm fighting it out for so many years. There are phases, but I come out. It's my decision. I do not allow depression to overrule me. It may upset me, but I don't allow it to control me. And I bounce back. So I've been trying to have this talk since yesterday only, but I was quite unwell yesterday. That is why I got the test done, and I think after my sister's gone, very rarely I've attended to my face. Age doesn't matter now, but I like to be well groomed, and I did try that, and I'm feeling good. So try that. Make your groom yourself. Do what you love, and share a smile, share a support, and look into the eyes of animals. They give love. So all the best. Find your purpose and keep finding God every day. All the best.